Methane gas emissions are causing a lot of harm to our planet and, according to the FDA, excessive food waste is a contributor to this problem. However, an easy and affordable solution is right in your own kitchen. Composting food scraps like eggshells, coffee grounds, fruit cores, and vegetable peels will save them from being dumped into landfills. And the first step towards composting at home is investing in a compost bin where you can place your food scraps and begin the composting process. However, choosing the right composting bin for your countertop can be a challenge. With so many factors to consider, such as countertop space, the kind and amount of foods you plan to compost, and the frequency with which you plan to empty the bin, choosing the right bin can feel overwhelming. However, to make your decision easier, we've rounded up the finest kitchen compost bins of 2023 and put together a buyer's guide to making weighing your options simple. Let's take a look. Number 1. Modern Barnhouse Kitchen Compost Bin. The modern Barnhouse Kitchen Compost Bin is an ideal addition to any home looking to reduce its environmental impact. This compost bin includes everything necessary for indoor composting, including a vintage-style tumbler made of rust-proof galvanized metal, a year's supply of charcoal filters and compost bags, as well as a stick-on magnet with a list of items that can be composted. The versatile and eco-friendly tumbler makes it easy to reduce your waste and help the environment at the same time. Perfect for collecting and storing food scraps like fruit/vegetable scraps, crushed eggshells, coffee grounds, and tea bags, this compost bin offers an effective way to make use of your kitchen waste without needing to throw it in the trash. This countertop compost has a 1.3-gallon capacity and features an airtight lid that ensures that no smell or odors escape. Coming in several stylish colors, this kitchen composter looks great with any rustic home decor. Number 2. Pella Earth Kitchen Compost Bin. With this option, you will be making a difference because you can reduce your fortnightly trash by up to 80% and create nutrient-rich dirt suitable for gardening and houseplants. Garbage cans are full of old food decomposing at room temperature. You'll never smell garbage again. Loamy produces nutrient-rich dirt which you can use for your garden or houseplants. Every Loamy includes your first 45 cycles of filters plus pods. Do you need a bin with a quick turnaround time? This kitchen counter compost bin is a fantastic option. When you're finished eating, simply scrape your trays into the machine, which will turn food waste into dirt in as little as 4 hours. You also don't have to be concerned about odors because the engine operates faster and more efficiently than a garbage can, keeping your kitchen odor-free. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Compost Bin. OXO's Good Grips Compost Bin keeps your kitchen compost under control with its odor-reducing design. This oval-shaped compost bin can hold up to 0.75 gallons of compost organic waste from your kitchen, a large capacity that will take most home chefs a few days to fill up. Featuring an easy-to-hold handle that rotates for effortless maneuverability, this compost bin size and design are compact yet accommodating so you can conveniently place it on any countertop. Plus, this bin's lid flips up when it's time to fill it and efficiently locks down when not in use, keeping the odors tightly inside. Thanks to the removable lid, you can easily turn this bin upside down for hassle-free emptying. This compost bin has smooth interior walls so food won't stick or build up. Plus, there is a soft seal around the lid that promotes airflow and blocks odors from seeping out into your kitchen. Number 4. Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin. The Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin comes in 3 colors, stainless steel, black, and white, making this a stylish yet functional addition to any kitchen. Sure to make composting convenient and easy, this kitchen compost bin comes with a charcoal filter built into the lid that traps odors before they can escape into your kitchen. Plus, it also comes with an extra charcoal filter so you can easily replace the old one when it wears out. Add a securely tight-fitting lid, and you can rest assured that the compost odors will stay locked within. Constructed from high-quality grade 201 stainless steel that is resistant to rust and scratches, this sleek kitchen compost bin has a stylish outward appearance that's timeless and modern, sure to fit in no matter where in the kitchen it's placed. Easy to clean, you can wash it by hand with warm, soapy water, or put it in the dishwasher. Plus, the filters can also be cleaned and reused, making this a sustainable option. Number 5. Cooler Kitchen Store Oversized Compost Bin. The Cooler Kitchen Store Oversized Compost Bin holds up to 1.3 gallons of compost in its large, cylindrical frame, making this our top pick for best capacity. Around 75% larger than a standard compost bin, this bin will save you from making extra trips to empty your compost. Plus, Featuring 2 activated charcoal filters, you can rest assured that this sleek compost bin will absorb, and trap bad odors. What's more, its tightly closing lid further blocks any smell from escaping or from the decomposing food from attracting flies. The lid seal is easy and hassle-free to release and lock, making adding food and emptying the bin a breeze. This kitchen compost bin has a wide inner bin, making emptying compost easy. Plus, it requires no assembly or mounting. Simply place it on the countertop and let it do the rest. The metal carbon steel, coming in 3 fashionable colors, will be sure to blend in with the surroundings well.